Here we're asked to graph a piecewise defined function, where the first piece is a linear function and the second piece is the squaring function. Let's begin with a rectangular coordinate plane. Here the linear function has a y-intercept at 0, 1. From the y-intercept we'll mark off the slope, in this case 2/3. We'll rise 2 units and run 3. Now 2 points determine a line and we can graph that function. Now this function is only defined for x values that are less than 0. So what we'll do is erase the portion of the graph for which it's not defined. In fact, we're going to use an open dot here when x is equal to 0 because of the strict inequality. Now for the second piece, the squaring function, that's only defined for x values greater than or equal to 0. And so the smallest x value is 0. When I plug in 0, 0 squared is 0, and the origin is a point on that graph. If I substitute x equals 1, we can get another point, 1, 1. Substituting in x equals 2, another point would be 2, 4. And we can see the portion of the squaring function here when x is greater than or equal to 0. And so there we have the graph of the piecewise defined function f of x.